Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something truly special to unbox, an amazing product for aromatherapy that's sure to elevate your space. Get ready for an exciting unboxing experience. Priced at 378 rupees on Amazon, it comes with 2 grams of camphor crystals and a 6-month warranty. But that's not all. This versatile product can diffuse essential oils, natural oils and bakur as well. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Kapoor Dani itself, along with the camphor crystals. These crystals are made from the extract of pine trees, so you know they're completely organic and natural. Let's get rid of the plastic and have a closer look at the Kapoor Dani. The outer shell is made of wood and it's hand carved. It has such an elegant look and feel. On the top, you will find the heating pad. It's critically tested and thoughtfully designed to ensure it doesn't overheat. Let's plug it in and start the aromatherapy session. It looks so elegant when plugged in. I'm adding some camphor crystals and a couple of pieces of clove to infuse a subtle wooden aroma into the room. As the fumes rise, a refreshing fragrance spreads throughout the space. Plus, camphor is an effective mosquito repellent, keeping those pesky insects at bay. The best part, this product is natural, organic and eco-friendly, safe around children and pets. You can breathe easy knowing you're not inhaling any harmful chemicals. Overall, the quality of this product is impressive. The aroma it creates brings a sense of positivity and purity into your home. I highly recommend giving it a try.